Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. Hear me roar, roar. I'm glad to be here today. I hope you are having a great day so far. If not, turn that frown upside down. Or not. Anyway, I'm not the boss of you. But I tell you what I'm really excited about today is that you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. That'd be cool. But even cooler than that, I finally got my Beautylish lucky bag. And it's heavy and it's a good size. And I've not looked at any of the videos of people unboxing their lucky bags. But I'm telling you, my friend Jo, Just Jo Withrow, Just Jo, she told me that there's really good stuff going around. So I'm just hoping that I'm part of that good stuff. Oh, it's always so precious. Look at that packaging. It's so precious. Lucky Bag 2023, and it says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. Lucky Bag 2023. Beautylish has always got it going on with this thing here. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Look at that. It's heavy because there's some big stuff in here. Let's see what we have. And this is the small bag, the $75 bag with $10 shipping. First thing I have here is the Essential Lip Pencil from Wayne Goss. I don't usually use lip pencils, but that's cool. And it is in magnifying glass, please, and mauve. I always have trouble with these little box lids. So Wayne Goss is super nice stuff. And it's a beautiful lip pencil. It's a great color. If I was going to use a lip pencil, that would be one that I'd want to use. Very cool. It's going to take me an hour to close that box. Alright, so we got a lip pencil so far. Next up we have from Wayne Goss. It looks like a luxury cream lipstick in Poppy. I don't know, I'm holding it down here so you can't see it. This is a lot of stuff. It's a beautiful package. It's beautiful. And it goes perfect to go with that lip pencil. And it actually would go with what I'm wearing today, but I don't use stick lipsticks. So that's very cool. 2 Wayne Goss items. Very high end, very nice. Ooh! One year I got a whole set of brushes from Sonia G. But I've got a nice fan brush from Sonia G right here. Oh, and this is great. Like, I don't have a lot of fan brushes, but if I'm going to have one, I can use it for highlights. This one from Sonia G is pretty freaking nice. It's going... I'll keep it in with my pile of stuff, but it's going right in my brush collection. Very nice. Ooh, this is heavy. This is from Good Molecules. It's a glycolic exfoliating toner, which is great. And you just sweep this over your freshly clean skin, and can also be dispensed into palms. I think this is similar to another like exfoliating toner that I had from Charlotte Tilbury this year. And it's a big glass bottle, and it's very good size. No wonder it was so heavy. But that's great. Good molecule stuff is affordable price for good things. Very cool. Now we've got from Mob. It says, let me put my glasses on. It says repurpose compact reusable. Oh, okay. It's just a little compact for some eyeshadows or something. I don't have anything to put in it, but it's very nice compact. Maybe this next thing is something to put in that compact. It is. It is a blush from Mob, and it's that color. And I'm not going to unpackage this because I don't know. I have so many blushes, but so I've got a blush in the compact for the blush. Very nice. And I've never used any Mob stuff. Or is it MOB? This is super nice. A Briogeo set of hair repair products. We've got the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioner, the Scalp Revival, and the Superfood. That's really nice. And it says it's a $29 value, and it's Ultimate Hydrate and Repair Scalp, Hair, and Mask Kit. Very cool. I mean, I've definitely got my $75, but wait, there's more. There's a palette. I wonder who it's from. It says Monochromance. Who is that? Oh, Hindash. What? Hindash? I've always wanted to try Hindash stuff. And now I've got a freaking Hindash palette. Oh, this is fancy. This is so fancy. Let's get in and see which one I have. Very exciting.
I'm not sure I understand.
Stop, Siri.
Okay.
My Siri's been talking randomly to me lately. So it's Hindash. Oh. And it's beautiful. And it's all ingredients. Look at that. That is beautiful. I can't wait to try this out. It's like getting so many different colors in one palette. I don't even know how much this is. This is expensive though. Hindash is not cheap. I can't believe I got a Hindash palette. So, to recap, I definitely got way more than $75 worth of stuff. I got a Hindash palette. I got the Briogeo Hydrate and Repair Kit. I got the exfoliating toner. I got a lipstick and a liner from Wayne Goss. I got the Mob palette, or blush and little compact. And I got this fantastic fan brush from Sonia G. This is a great box. I'm really excited about this box because it's got so much good stuff. But what I'm most excited about is the brush and the palette. The other stuff will probably go on my Macari, even though it's really nice. It's just not stuff I'm going to use. But very exciting. So that was my lucky bag for 2023. I hope you have a great new year, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.